it's Jessica from Trencita Johnson, and today I want to show you how I did this ribbon braid as a Dutch braid over a ponytail with the recycled cornrows. We got these ribbons from our friend from the United States. Please check out her Instagram account and see those beautiful colors and different sets of ribbons. They come in a set with 3 strands, and that's why I decided to go with a 3-strand Dutch braid. I'm going to part of the top section for the Dutch braid over the end of the eyebrow on the left hand side, straight to the back, and over the right eyebrow the same. At the back of the head, I just make a straight line. Tying this off into a top knot for the time being with a clip, and then the rest of the hair into a deep ponytail so that it won't be annoying us while we are braiding the top. Start with a small section of the hair from the front in the middle, and I like to do it in a triangle shape like you see it here. Comb the hair so that it won't tangle and split this section into 3 equal strands, left, middle and right strand. Now take the ribbons and bring them, as they also have 3 strands, over the 3 strands that you prepared. And I brought here, in this case, the knot under the middle strand. It was the first time that I used the ribbons on my mannequin hat, and the hair was a bit more slippery than my daughter's hair, so it took me a moment to find a way to get a good grip on the strands with the ribbons. You see here I'm hiding the knot under the middle strand, and then you start braiding a normal Dutch braid, bringing the left strand under the middle and then the right strand under the middle. Again, the left under and then the right strand under the middle strand. Now when you bring the left strand under the middle strand, you have to add in hair. Here I'm pulling at the ribbon to hide the knot under the hair so that it won't stand out at the middle of her forehead. Now add in hair, smooth it out, and then bring it together with the strand you brought under before. Now the right strand went under, and you will add in a tiny portion of hair from the right hand side. Repeat on the left hand side, bringing under the left strand, add in hair, hold it tight with the strand you brought under already, and then tighten the 3 strands together. The fingers are always separating the strands from each other. Now that I have done some stitches, I separate the ribbons from the strand. So I bring left under, I add in hair, and now I take the ribbons again and I put them over. Like this, they will pop out more. Tighten, separate the ribbon from the hair, bring the right strand under the middle strand, add in a tiny portion of hair, and then bring the ribbons over that strand. Then again, separate the ribbons, bring the strand under the middle strand, add in hair from the left hand side, and then put the ribbons over. Keep on braiding until all the hair is added into the braid. When there is no hair more to add in, you do a normal Dutch braid, bringing the outer strand under the middle strand. Here you see that I turn always the strands a bit so that the ribbons are always on the top of the strands. When they are hidden, pull them and bring them up. When you reach at the end of the ribbons, you're going to tie a knot. You don't need any hair elastic. You can tie it off with the ribbon itself. So bring one to the left, then the second one from the left to the right, and then the third one the other way around. And now you're going to tie a knot with one double strand and one single strand. And that's it. Your braid is done. Loosen the ponytail. And here I clipped away the top braid. For this style, I did again a ponytail, so grab all the hair together, smooth it out with a hairbrush, and use a strong hair elastic if you have a lot of hair. I love to hide the elastic with a strand of hair, therefore I'm using, like so often, the topsy tail tool. And this is our finished style. You can lay the Dutch braid just over or pin it into its place with some bobby pins. I hope you like this tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell for not missing any new tutorial, and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much. For more styles, you are always welcome to visit us on our Instagram account. Thank you for watching.